Maybelline cover girl for certain. And my body on point, they be like, who's your search? I'm never in a drought, and from what these niggas say, I look better in person.
They've been talking about the way I do it, why I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna be with you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you're zoning in, you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So we are doing some space buns with a zigzag part down the middle. So let's get started. Before I jump into actually doing the hairstyle, I do want to show y'all what I use to moisturize my hair with. So I use the Pantene's leave-in detangling milk and the Curl's Daughter black vanilla leave-in conditioner. My hair wasn't even freshly washed before doing this, but these products made my curls pop out. Okay, you also going to need something to use as like a spray bottle with some water so your hair can just stay hydrated. And I think in a second I'm gonna show you that I'm using a rat tail comb for my parts. You also gonna need 2 hair ties and then some gel of your choice, and I always use Eco, and I think I use the Krystal kind. So yeah. Yep, Krystal. So I'm using that to help me make my parts. So I like to put the gel on my scalp, helps me get a crisp part and whatnot. And it's going to take me a minute to get this parting situation situated. Okay, girl, I was getting tired because I'm used to just doing, you know, regular as parts. But no, I wanted this style to be a little bit more cute. It's childish in my opinion, but I thought it looked cute. Okay, so in a second you're gonna see that I needed help from my mom, so she helped me part my hair and whatnot. If you're wondering why I'm doing this childish ass hairstyle, is because I've been trying to stay away from wigs and frontals and whatnot just to give my edges a break, and the style is cute to me. So yeah, all I'm doing right now is parting my hair. So this is what the parting ended up looking like. I love it. I think my mom and I did a great job. If you want to do a regular part, you definitely can. It's up to you. And then we're going to move over to making the actual space buns. So since I already moisturized my hair prior to parting, all I really had to do was get a lot of gel to make sure that my hair was slicked down and so the buns could be secure. So I did a mixture of Eco and a little bit of Got To Be gel. just molded my hair into 2 high-ass buns. Like, I don't like when the buns are low. It don't look right on my head shape. So I made sure that they were super duper high, really tight. And all I did was put a little bit more product in my hair so my curl pattern could pop out, you know, throughout the bun. And I just swooped the hair towards the front, brought some of my curls to the front. And then I just used rubber bands to basically hold and mold my hair into place. So yeah, it's a really easy ass hair tutorial. And, you know, to make sure everything stays slicked down, I got this Cream of Nature silk scarf to wrap my hair up. And I also used my Denman brush to get my curls together. And then I just laid my edges with this little edge brush I got from my local beauty supply store. It's like $1. And I strictly use Got To Be on my edges because it has the best hold in my opinion. And yeah, that's really all that there was to it. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. I know it was quick and easy, but you know, comment down below. Let me know which hairstyles you want me to try out next. Also, let me know if you got any questions. All the products should be listed in the description box below. Be sure to watch my next video, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.
I know them all the guys, they've been talking about the way I do it, why I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna be with you.